Hello, kids! Welcome to our class. I am Teacher Romeline. Today we will learn about demonstrative pronoun this is and that is. This is a flower. This is a paper. This is a book. We use this is when referring to one object that is near to the speaker. That is a flower vase. That is a clock. That is an airplane. We use that is when referring to one object that is far from the speaker. Activity 1. Complete the sentence using this is and that is. Blank a bird. Very good. The correct answer is this is. Look at the picture. Blank a table. Very good. The correct answer is that is because the table is far from the speaker. Next, blank a tree. The correct answer is that is because the tree is far from the speaker. Blank a ball. Very good. The correct answer is this is because the ball is near to the speaker. Next, blank a bag. Very good. The correct answer is this is because it is near to the speaker. Activity 2. Look at the picture. Make a sentence using this is and that is. Look at the picture. The child is holding the pen. Very good. This is a pen. Look at the picture. The boy is holding the ball. Very good. This is a ball. Look at the picture. The child is pointing the house. The house is far from the speaker. Very good. That is a house. Next picture. The child is pointing the sun. Very good. That is a sun. Next, the boy is holding the balloon. Very good. This is a balloon. For your assessment, prepare a paper and a pen. Complete the sentence using this is and that is. Number 1. Blank a book. Number 2. Blank a clock. Number 3. Blank a moon. For number 4 and 5, look at the picture. Make a sentence using this is and that is. Thanks for watching.